So this is a new user, Mike Williams. He has recently joined the company. He has a custom sales rep profile, and this profile does not have access to create accounts in Salesforce. So let us log in as Mike. This is the Sales Hub application for Medisure. On the Accounts tab, we can see that there is no new button to create accounts, as well as no access to edit any of the existing accounts. So Mike's wondering why, and he brings up the Agentforce agent and asks, hey, I'm not able to create accounts. Then the agent says, this is the company policy, you have to complete this training, have you already done it? Then Mike says, yes, I think I have completed it. Then the agent asks for his email for verification, and Mike provides the email address. And then the agent makes a real-time REST API call out to the LMS system and says, hey, you have not completed this training. This is a direct link for the training module. Would you like me to set a reminder for you if you like? So Mike clicks on that link. It takes him directly to the LMS system to that particular module which he needs to complete. And we can see that the module is not fully complete yet. So Mike says, sure, please create a reminder for me so that I can go ahead and complete this training when I can. And the agent created a task for Mike. If we click on the to-do list, we can see that that's the task that the agent has created. In the agent builder for this agent, we can see that there is one custom topic called user management, and it has a few custom actions. All are flow-based actions. The first one is for querying the user. The second one is to check if the user's training has been completed in the LMS system or not. And if they have not completed the training, the third action offers to create a reminder task. So this is the check status in LMS agent action. It has the course ID and user ID as inputs, and it comes back with the status indicating whether the user has completed the training or not. And this is the flow that calls the REST API endpoint with the course ID and user ID as the inputs. And in the output, it reads the response code and status. If 200 and completed, that's how the agent knows that the training has been completed successfully. So as Mike, I will now go back and complete the last module of my training. It's just the quiz that I forgot to take, so I will just complete that. And once done, I will go back to the agent and say that I have now completed the training. The agent makes the call out again and checks the completion status. Yes, you have now done it, so refresh your screen and you should have the necessary permissions. There it is. That's the new button to create accounts, and he can also edit accounts. If I now go back to Mike's user record and refresh the page, I can see that a new permission set called Manage Accounts got assigned, which allows creating and editing accounts. And that's a simple flow-based action which queries the permission set and assigns to the user, and it has been added as a custom action on this agent.